Dear friends, gather round as I take you on a journey through time and space to uncover the delightful history of a piece of furniture that has become an essential part of our living rooms. The coffee table. Just like a steaming cup of java, this story is sure to warm your hearts and awaken your curiosity. Our story begins in the early 20th century, when coffee culture was spreading like wildfire across Europe and North America. People were flocking to coffee houses to discuss art, literature, and politics, and they needed a convenient place to put their cups of joe while they engaged in lively conversations. But alas, tables at these establishments were often too high for the casual sipping of coffee. Enter the genius minds of the Viennese and the Germans, who decided to create a lower, smaller table specifically designed for serving coffee. These tables, known as Kaffeetisch in German, were essentially the first coffee tables. They were low, typically just above knee height, and featured elegant, curvy designs. The coffee table's popularity quickly spread across the Atlantic, landing in America in the 1920s. But it wasn't until the 1930s that the term coffee table started gaining traction. They were initially called cocktail tables because they were often used for serving alcoholic beverages during the Prohibition era. Over time, however, they became synonymous with coffee and tea. In the mid-20th century, coffee tables started to reflect the artistic and design trends of the time. The Art Deco movement brought us coffee tables adorned with sleek lines and luxurious materials like glass, chrome, and exotic woods. These tables weren't just functional, they were works of art in themselves. The 1950s and 60s saw the rise of another coffee table-related phenomenon, the coffee table book. These oversized, lavishly illustrated volumes were perfect for displaying on your coffee table and added an element of sophistication to the living room. As we moved into the 21st century, coffee tables continued to evolve. They became more versatile, with some featuring hidden storage, built-in speakers, or wireless charging capabilities. These modern marvels seamlessly blended technology and aesthetics. And there you have it, the captivating tale of the humble coffee table. From its modest beginnings in Viennese coffee houses to its transformation into a stylish and functional centerpiece in our homes, the coffee table has come a long way. The next time you rest your cup of coffee on one of these elegant pieces of furniture, remember the rich history and the journey it took to become a beloved staple in our living rooms. Cheers to the coffee table and the conversations it has hosted throughout the ages. Your support is greatly appreciated. Please subscribe for a continuous supply of knowledge. Thank you.